everyone, this is your Doodle aunt and welcome to my channel. As you guys can figure it out, today we're gonna learn how to doodle potted plants. These doodle looks very pretty, very cute and everything nice. If you guys are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and share. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead. Let's talk about the materials that's needed. Of course, a notepad, diary or just a blank sheet. Pen, eraser, sharpener, ruler and a fine liner. Alternatively, you can use a black pen. Here, I straight away go with my fine liners and draw the borders. Basically doubled borders because I like it that way. If you guys are like complete beginners, I would highly recommend you guys to use pencil first for all your work. And later when you guys are satisfied, you can easily erase it. Let me introduce to step 1. Draw a pot or a planter. I begin with few simple pots using basic straight lines. Now these are the pots which is very common to see. We can also use curved lines to make few pretty looking planters, but I find these kind of planters very cute and pretty. Moving ahead, we can always experiment with sort of squarish or rectangular shaped planters, and that will lead us to our step number 2. That's draw a pattern. To make your planters look interesting, we're going to try to give few simple patterns. For example, you guys can see here that I started with few dots and then went for a bigger polka dots and then tried to create a zigzag pattern. Guys, there's no rule to create a pattern. Whatever you feel like, experiment, practice, and then the patterns are going to come in your mind automatically. And in between, if you do not want to draw any pattern and just leave it blank, trust me guys, it's gonna look equally awesome. Presenting to you step number 3, that's draw a plant. Here I'm gonna start with elongated triangular shapes and fill it till the time I don't feel it's full. Second, I'm gonna go with traditional cactus plant, filling the details with the spine. Now we go ahead with some petal-shaped plants. Here I'm making the petals broader. Now you guys can see here that I'm using slightly different petal shapes. Here again I'm gonna make few more petals till the time I don't feel that it's full. Moving ahead, we're gonna draw tiny cute little leaves going here and there and giving that creeper plant like look. I'm using the same tiny leaves, but this time it's not going downwards, it's going upwards. That's how you're gonna fill your pots with beautiful planters. Do not ever hesitate to play around. Like I tried to make a mixture of different plants in this big planter. Friends, did you all notice that these are the little plant doodles which looks very difficult but is super easy only once you guys try it. Just remember those 3 simple steps. I'm going to recall those steps for you guys. Step number 1, draw the pot. Step number 2, draw the pattern. Step number 3, draw the plant. And with that, here's my final product. As I always like to give you guys my bonus tips, here is your tip number 1. Go ahead and draw big, small, medium-sized plants. And tip number 2, go ahead and draw plant characters by giving the expressions, and there you go once again. If you guys found this video helpful, entertaining and valuable, do like, share and subscribe for similar content. Till then, you guys can watch out the other videos. See you.